I hope everybody can see my RapidMiner screen. RapidMiner screen. So let's begin. So this is what I'm gonna do. Of course, I have a screen capture in your lecture note. You can see it. So let's begin with the generate data. So later, after watching this one, I want to follow, practice in your home. So I'm using generate data. Generate data simply means I'm just creating random data. So now I'm gonna ask RapidMiner using random function, create 100 data with 5 attributes. What it looks like, let me click the run button and let me show you. So this is what it looks like. My RapidMiner. So I have 5 attributes. 5 attributes, yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect this one, and then I want to create a bin. Bin means there's 100 rows, but I want to create a basket, but I'm gonna put create a certain number of basket, and I'm gonna put everybody to the certain basket. So this one in RapidMiner we call discretize. But discretize, there's 3 different. No, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we're just gonna test 3. So let me try this one. Discretize by size, discretize by binning, discretize by frequency. So let me click one by one. Let me show how it works. First, when I click discretize, it's confusing because all operator has the same name. So I'm gonna rename it soon. Discretize first one. When I click it in the right side here, it said numerical attribute into bin of user specified size. Okay, I got it. So this one, I'm gonna rename size. So we decide how many data in a certain basket. 5, 10, 20, we can decide. Next one, it said it is to work with the equal range, bins of equal range. Okay, I got it. So I'm gonna say equal range. Third one, this one, when I click, it said, okay, this one is equal frequency. So let me highlight here. I hope you can see this is the equal frequency. Okay, so think about this. We have 100 students. We can divide 100 students in a several different ways. By size. Size means 5 students each group. Or we can decide by equal range by each distance or equal frequency. So I want to test one by one, but I don't have to test one by one. RapidMiner, unlike the other one, has a nice function, something called multiply. This one, multiply. Multiply means I want to multiply this data 3 times. So each operator can run with a separate data. And then let me check something. So I just want to quickly show you. Okay, so this one, size. It is asking you, okay, you want to use all variable or certain one? I want to use only a single one. So let's use the first attribute. Let's consider this as someone's age. So we have 100 people, all 100 different age. So I want to have a bin. So how many people you want to put in each bin? So let's say 5 people. Then of course, logically, we will have 20 groups. Okay, that's the first one. Second one, equal range. I also wanted the single, and I want to use attribute 1. And then number of bins. How many bins in equal range? I'm gonna vote also 5. Okay, lastly, equal frequency. That means each group we're gonna put same number. Same thing, I'm gonna repeat the same thing. So number of bins, I'm gonna also create 5. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect this to the result section. And then I'm gonna run this one. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, I got it. The first, size 1. So this is the first one, second, third one. So let's begin from the first one. When I go to statistic, this attribute one, he said, I have 20 different groups. Of course, I asked specifically each group should have only 5 members. So each basket has 5, each bin has 5 members. So total 20 group. So if I visualize this one, this is what it looks like. 20 groups with each group has 5 members. Okay, now let's go to equal range. See what it looks like. Let's go statistics. I want to go attribute 1. If we see detail, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. Yeah, because we asked 5 groups with equal range. So what it looks like here. Since it's the equal range, not equal frequency, each group has different size. So in our case, range 2 has the biggest number, and then other groups has less number. So group range 2 has 24, range 4 has 18, range 5 has 16. It's all different number. Now let's do this one. Equal frequency. So if you go this one, if you click attribute 1, if you go detail, of course, we ask 5, so you will see 5 groups. But this time, we will see different view. So let me click this one and show you. Since we are asking equal frequency, every group has 20. We ask 5 group with equal frequency. So every group has 20 members. Same. So now let me go back this one. Let me go back to this one. So I want you to practice this. When you collect data, whatever you're interested in, this is a good practice. Try to create a bin. So where we can create a bin. So let me close this one and I'm gonna open new one. I'm gonna show you. So when you practice at home, I want you to go training, sample, and I want you to go data, and I want you to go Titanic training. I think this is the one what you did in the tutorial in RapidMiner. So when you go this one, let's connect to the result. So let's read this data. So this is what it looks like. And when I look at this data, I can see some numeric data. It's the numeric since it's the integer, but I also have nominal or binomial data. That means it's categorical data. So I want to come back here. Since I already learned about this one, so I want to use discretize. So I want to use bin. So I want to discretize by this one is the size. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I have a lot of people with all different age. I want to create a basket and want to put each group in a separate bin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to single. I'm gonna select the age. How many bins? So think about it. Probably youngest one. is 0 or 1 year, oldest 90, 100 years. So let's create 5 different bins. 5 different bins. So when you click this one, when you go to statistic, you notice since I put 5 members to each group, actually there are too many groups. Too many people, too many groups. Oops. So I want to change this to, how about each group? I want to put maybe 20 people. Let's run again. Let's go statistics. Let's go visualization. So this is what it looks like. So it looks like we have age group between 29 through 29. I think that's the biggest group. Biggest group. So we can easily see the bin different group. So now I'm gonna disable this one. And then now this time I want to do this. We have a lot of numerical variables. So I want to transform numerical variable to categorical variable. Numerical variable to categorical variable. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use something called nominal. Nominal to numerical. So this is the categorical variable. So I want to change it to number. So male, female, I want to put 1, 0. Passenger class, 1, 2, 3. I want to change. So let's go nominal to numerical. And then this is asking, what do you want to change? Okay, I want to do single. Which one you want to change? Okay. I want to change passenger class to number. It is a category right now. I'm going to use dummy. So let's click this one. So what we see, passenger class first, second, third. I changed to 1, 1, 1, 1 for each different one. So it looks like I see. How about this one? Okay, 1, 1. So I changed the first as 1, second as 1, third as 1. It's the different number. So we can use for other data analytics tools. This is good. So we can do 1 by 1 passenger class, sex, survived, you can do. But RapidMiner, we have something really nice one. So I'm gonna disable this one. And then I'm gonna use something called one hot coding. So what is one hot coding for? In case you don't want to transform 1 by 1, this operator will transform all your numerical variable to categorical variable in just one button. So let's try. When I go one hot coding, of course it asks you want a single? Yeah, I want to do all. So this operator will read your data, will automatically find only categorical variable, it will turn into numerical variable. So let me click the run button and see what it looks like. So I hope you can see this one. Let's see the first class, the second class. We don't need the third class because anything is 0 for prior to first, third. Now, second one will be automatically second, first, second. Third one is 0, 0. Second one is automatically 1. So this is how dummy variable work. And also RapidMiner find out, okay, your gender is a categorical variable. I turned to 1, 0. So it transformed the data.